Ready? Start. The original appellants who stand substituted by their legal representatives unsuccessfully challenged notifications dated 11/4/2008 and 9/4/2009 issued under the Land Acquisition Act, 1894, hereinafter referred to as the Act, by virtue of the first notification, the powers under Section 4 and 17, subsection 4 of the Act came to be invoked in regard to the property of the appellants. The division bench, by the impugned judgment, dismissed the writ petition. A notification under Section 4, subsection 1 of the Act dated 8/10/2004, coupled with notification under 17, subsection 4, was issued in regard to 52.361 hectares of land for the construction of a residential colony under the name of Bulandshahr Khurja Development Authority, Bulandshahr, plot number 881 and 914 belonging to appellants. Children were included. The appellants did not raise any objection as the requirement of Section 5A of the Act stood dispensed with. Declaration under Section 6 of the Act was published on 7/10/2005. It is the specific case of the appellants that, despite the urgency clause being invoked, the possession was taken only in January 2006. The award was passed on 29/4/2009 only for plot 914 belonging to the children of appellants. In regard to plot number 881, which was also acquired, the compensation was not paid, it was averred. It is stated that till date on the spot neither any construction under the residential scheme has been started nor it appears to be in the near future. The writ petition, it must be remembered, was filed in the year 2009. Even the allotment process, it is averred, was not started in regard to 52.81 hectares. Writ petitioners appellants alleged that they were running a cattle market in Square 880 and Square 893. It is their case that in order to grab more land, the second respondent, namely, the authority, started proceedings to acquire more land allegedly needed for the commercial residential scheme, which included the property in question. On 6/1/2006, the possession of the lands acquired earlier were taken. Allegation of demand for money by respondent number 3 is made if the appellants wanted plots 880 and 893 to be exempted. On 10/10/2006, the respondent number 2 authority wrote a letter to the Under Secretary about the existing construction on the land. In the letter dated 6/10/2006 and 10/10/2006, there is denial of existence of any cattle market and declaration under Section 143 of UP Jamindari Abolition and Land Reforms Act, 1950, in regard to plot number 880 and 893.